She's a fucking lawyer, so she knows.
I'm an AG.
Good for you.
You're not gonna arrest us.
You're gonna regret it.
I'm an AG.
Babe, I'm right here.
No,
right
babe,
here.
please, I'm scared.
On August 14, 2025, police responded to a report of trespassing at a restaurant in Newport, Rhode Island. The encounter involved two individuals, later identified as Devin Hogan Flanagan and Veronica Hannon.
I want you to turn your body cam off. Protocol is that you turn it off. If a citizen requests it to turn it off.
She's a lawyer. She's a lawyer.
So they want you guys to leave?
Yes, we're gonna leave.
Let's just leave. Let's just make it easy, okay?
We're gonna make it easy.
No, that's not. That's not.
I am.
Okay.
I'm her
That's
husband.
not the point. Can you look at me?
Yeah, we'll talk over here, okay?
Your protocol is.
Can we all talk? Can we all talk?
We'll talk
for a
over here.
second?
They want you to leave.
Your protocol is.
Can we talk?
Who is she to you?
What's that?
No,
Who is she to
nothing.
you?
Nothing.
She is our college friend.
Okay. She's a friend.
Yes.
No, I'm not.
You guys just want him out? Do you want him trespassed?
Anything we can do. Trespass, yeah. I just need
Trespass, get him out.
Yeah, please. It's the only way.
Okay.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Do we want to chat?
I know that your
All
protocol
right.
is.
So you're trespassed, so we gotta leave now. Unless you want to be in
We're
handcuffs.
not trespassing. You haven't notified us that we're trespassing.
So
Number one.
what did I
Number
just say
two.
to you? You're
You're
trespassed. Let's go.
Number one.
I don't
Number
want to
two.
arrest you guys.
You're not going to arrest us. Number two
So let's
is
leave.
that
We gotta go. We gotta go.
protocol
Let's go.
is
Let's
Can
go.
we calm down for 1
protocol
second?
is if we
Yeah.
ask you to
I
turn
don't
the
want.
body
I don't
cam
want to
off.
deal with this. Let's
Okay.
go.
No.
I understand you don't want to deal with it,
Okay,
but the
let's go.
protocol
Wait,
is,
wait,
and your
can
protocol
you
is if I
relax?
ask you to turn off the body cam, you have to turn it off, and
turn
that's
the
your
body-
protocol.
She's a fucking lawyer, so she knows.
Well, that's bullshit lawyer stuff. So that's not true. So we gotta go.
No, it is. That's law.
I'm an
What's she
AG.
saying?
I'm an AG.
Good for you. I don't give a shit. Let's go. We're going. Let's go.
Excuse.
We're leaving.
Please
We're leaving.
don't put your hands on us.
Can you get your children out of here? Like, I don't know why.
I'm sorry. What?
Let's go.
That's not entirely
No.
Let's go. Come on, you're wasting our time.
They're two full-grown women and mothers of children. All right. Hey.
You're just being detained. You're just being detained.
I'm an AG. I'm an AG. I'm an AG. What are your
What's wrong with you?
What
What's
are
wrong
your
with you?
probable cause to detain me for?
You're being detained because you're not leaving.
Because I'm what? You have
Can you relax?
Sir, she's not doing anything wrong.
You're
AG.
not leaving.
I'm an AG.
She's
She's
the
the AG.
Buddy, you're not.
She's not
being
I'm
arrested. Let's go.
I'm not being arrested. You're putting me in cuffs. I'm not being
Okay.
arrested.
Do you have any weapons on you?
No. I'm an AG.
Her badge is in the car. You want me to go get a badge?
Let me tell you something. You're
Buddy,
arresting.
get the hell out of here. Buddy, just seriously.
You're arresting an AG. Let me tell you something.
Are you under arrest right now? No.
You're putting me in handcuffs and you're Mirandizing. You're not Mirandizing me.
Relax. Relax.
Buddy, you're gonna regret this.
Yeah.
You're gonna regret it.
I'm an AG. Take your hands off me.
We will get the
Take your
license.
fucking hands off
Dave,
me.
we will get the
All right,
license.
she's getting detained.
No.
No. We will get the
Get out of here.
license.
Get out of here. Get back. Get back right now. Get back.
Detained.
No, I freaking. No.
Get back. Your cuffs.
Yep.
I'm right here. It's okay.
All right, just stuff in the
right
car.
here. No. I'm right here. I'm right here.
Get back.
Come on, Dave.
No. Stop touching me.
All right.
Babe, I'm right here.
No,
right here.
babe, please, I'm scared.
I'm right here.
Please stop doing this. Please stop
right
doing
here.
this. No, I'm not gonna find hands on that.
I'm right here.
No.
Okay.
No, please don't do this to my friend.
I'm right here.
No,
Right
no,
here.
no, babe. Babe,
I'm right here.
babe.
I'm right here.
No, babe.
Relax.
No,
Relax.
What's wrong with you?
Relax.
We don't want to put you in handcuffs. Let's go. Let's go.
No, babe.
Listen, you're overreacting.
You're adding
You're
charges.
overreacting.
No. Please take my hands out. Please take them out of handcuffs. No, please take them.
You were overreacting. You didn't have to have this happen. Get in the car.
No!
Get in the
No!
car.
No! Babe, no!
You got two detained.
I'm right here.
Get in the
No!
car.
Guys,
Just put her in.
No!
Get back. Get back, bro.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
No!
Get your feet in the car.
I'm right here.
No!
I'm right here.
Get your feet in the car.
Get your feet in the fucking car.
Dan!
Babe, I'm right here.
No! Babe! Babe! No!
Get your feet in the car.
Who the fuck are...
Get
Don't
your
touch
feet
me!
in the car. You're a grown adult. You're acting like a kid.
Dan!
Babe, I'm
Dan!
right here. I'm right here.
No! Who the fuck are you? This is so
You're
inappropriate!
overreacting.
You're overreacting! Dan!
So, they wanted him to trespass. And they were just throwing a fucking fit.
In the days that followed, the case moved into the court system, where no contest pleas were entered and the cases were filed with court-set conditions. Arrest records identified 2 suspects, with the second suspect facing multiple charges and later entering a no-contest plea to resisting arrest. An administrative response followed, including a 6-month unpaid leave. According to reporting, the Attorney General later apologized to the officers involved, and letters of apology were also sent.
Anything you'd like to say about what happened? Do you feel bad about what happened?
Have footage or a story the world should see? Share it with us. Have a tip or insight? Drop it in the comments. Every detail matters.